Does your Audi have the Audi Drive Select option, but you don't know how to use it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the Audi Drive Select option in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Audi Drive Select is a feature that allows you as the driver to customize the driving experience to your preference by adjusting various vehicle settings such as the steering feel, throttle response, transmission shift points, and suspension settings. In comfort mode, the vehicle prioritizes a smooth and relaxed driving with softer suspension settings and lighter steering. Dynamic mode, on the other hand, enhances performance by sharpening throttle response, stiffening the suspension, and providing a more engaging driving experience. Auto mode allows the vehicle to automatically adjust settings based on driving conditions, while individual mode enables drivers to customize specific parameters to their liking. Furthermore, Audi Drive Select can help you save up fuel by adjusting the car's characteristics and prioritizing fuel efficiency. When you select the efficiency, comfort, or auto mode, the system adjusts parameters such as throttle response, transmission shift points, and even air conditioning settings to prioritize the fuel economy. But how to enter the Audi Drive Select menu? Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Audi Drive Select. You will now enter the Audi Drive Select menu where you can select the different driving modes to your preference. Would you like to customize the car settings to your own preference? Click on the pencil on the right of the individual mode. Depending on which Audi model you are driving in, you can customize a few different parameters to your preference, such as steering feel, throttle response, suspension settings, and even the engine sound if available. The other way to enter the Audi Drive Select menu is to just click the Audi Drive Select button, which you will find most often in the center console. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.